The House, original Assamese poem, Ghar, by Jiten Narah and interpreted by Dhiren Doley. The house of joy you built of the iron-heart Urium post, ladder of mahogany wood, roof of new thatching grass, and the house wall webbed by reeds is no more an existence today. Oh, my grandpa, instead we built houses of stones and bricks, cemented Assam type. We built house of most luxurious, heater in winter, air conditioner in summer, mosaic RCC building. The varieties of fish you bagged from Obonori, Ronganodi, and the turtle eggs on Obonori bank, the varieties of birds in the dense forest, and the vegetable leaves of different spices are heard as tales. We found centers of education and rebuilt the world with the help of means and gadgets. Vehicle, mobile phone, computer, internet into a global village. But the smoke of gunpowder gloom at the atmosphere. We are multi-divided by the caste and communalism. Weapons read at hand, sounds of bullets and bombs as frequent as festive crackers. In a twinkling, houses are burned to ashes, lives turn pale and covered under white clothes. Fighting for land and boundaries, protested and movements everywhere. My grandpa, without all these modern luxuries, you are happier being a country farmer. My humble plea to God unseen to bring the golden days back of my great grands.